In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use lookalike audiences in meta ads. This tool is an incredibly powerful way to reach new potential customers who are likely to be interested in your business because they resemble your current audience. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up in just a few steps. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Facebook's Ads Manager. This is the control center where all your Facebook advertising magic happens. If you're not sure how to get there, simply log into your Facebook account and look for the Ads Manager option, usually located in the menu. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to click on the Audiences tab. This is where you'll manage all your existing audiences and create new ones. The Audiences section is crucial because it allows you to organize and segment your potential customers in meaningful ways. It's like having your own personal marketing database that you can tailor to meet your specific business goals. Now, here comes the exciting part. Look for the option that says Create a Lookalike Audience. This is where the magic of expanding your reach happens. When you click on it, Facebook will prompt you to select a source audience. This source is typically your custom audience of existing customers, website visitors, or people who have engaged with your content. Essentially, it's the group of people you want to replicate. After selecting your source, you'll be asked to choose a location. This means you can target your lookalike audience based on geographical areas, which is particularly useful if you have a local business or want to target specific regions. The next step involves deciding on the audience size. Facebook allows you to choose the size of your lookalike audience, which is represented as a percentage of the total population in your selected location. A smaller percentage means a more closely matched audience, while a larger percentage will give you a broader reach. It's a balancing act between precision and scale, so consider what makes the most sense for your campaign goals. Once you've made these selections, go ahead and click Create Audience. Facebook will then work its algorithmic magic to find new people who share similar traits to your source audience. This process can take a little time, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully created a lookalike audience in meta ads. This audience can now be used in your ad campaigns to potentially reach thousands of new customers who are likely to be interested in what you offer. Remember, testing and refining your audiences over time will help you maximize your advertising efforts. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.